It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphic Samuels Media. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video I'm going to give you a secret method that you can use to hide friend chat on Facebook Messenger. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook hack. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to hide friends chat on Facebook Messenger, the secret and simple method. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your Messenger app from your phone. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon. Then you have to scroll down and locate privacy and safety. So you have to click on hidden contacts. Then you have to click on this plus sign right here. Then you can simply use the search bar right here to search for the friend, or better still, select the friend from here. So it takes you to this particular page. So you have three options. See less of these particular friends when you hide them. Okay, then the second one here is they won't be notified whether you hide them, you hide their chat or whatsoever. So you can simply unhide them at any time of your choice. So once you're satisfied with everything, just click on hide contact. So you have them right here. So if you want to access them, it's still the same process. So just simply click on hidden your contacts. Then you have them right here. You can simply click on unhide. So when you unhide them, then you can chat with them again, and at the same time when you are done chatting with them, you can also still hide them. So just click on this plus sign again, make sure you click on the name, then click on hide. Then you have this box right here which is on hidden. Then you can simply go back to your chat box. Then you will not be able to see this particular person in your chat box right here. So if you scroll down, you can even search for the name right here. So search for the person's name, you will not see them in the contact. So you can see the person name that was blocked, the person name that was hidden was not here. Okay, so this is how to hide chat on Facebook Messenger app, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topics. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.